Good day, guys. Welcome back. Now, if you are new and you don't subscribe, make sure you do so. Click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Now, let's take a look at gold. By the way, so I want us to actually start from the weekly time frame. So to be able to predict why this price will be moving such a way this today and the next day, which is tomorrow. So this is the weekly time frame, guys. I will start it from here. Clearly, if you are a new trader, you would know that this is actually a bearish move, right? This gold is dropping massively. We all consider this is a clear bearish move. So we can take a look at this movement. This is an impulse move downward. Here we can take a look at a correction. Then again, impulse move. Here we've gotten a correction that came to our moving average. We've had this impulse move downward, a correction, right? Now, if you take a look at this is an impulse move. Of course, after an impulse move downward, a correction should be made, and consider this correction has been made. After the correction, we are expecting a bearish move. Now, notice that last week we actually closed bearish. This is the weekly time frame for it. We closed bearish last week, right? This week also, we would also close bearish. So, the price is already giving us a bearish movement. So, by the time the week end, we would actually close bearish. So, we can clearly see that this is a bearish move. So this is why we should go bearish. That is reason one. Now, reason two is that I've included this moving average, right? We all know the rules of trading moving average, and I'm using 10-period moving average, by the way. Once the price is below our 10-period moving average, we have to short it, right? But if it is above it, then we have to go long. So clearly we can see this price is below the 10-period moving average. So we have to actually short it. So our technical analysis, the technical aspect says the price action says we are bearish, we should short it. Even our technical indicator, right, which is the moving average, says we are also bearish and we should short it. Since the price is still below the 10-period moving average, right, since it is still below it, then there's only one movement we should look for, which is to actually short it. Now, reason number three why we'll be going bearish is that have highlighted this level here. We see that price has once tested this level here. We saw that price came to this level, tested it, bounces up, right? It came to the same level again, it pushes up, right? Then we saw price actually came to the same level before it pushes up. So I've highlighted these two levels where price has come to, which will be taken as a top as our resistance level. And we will take this level we've highlighted down as a support level. We all know that once price is ranging, right, within support and resistance level, and it tends to break out of the resistance level, definitely price will come to test that support level, right? Same thing, if price come to break out of the resistance level, it will definitely come to test the resistance level. If it breaks out of the support level, then price will definitely come to test that support level, right? So take a look at this moment. Once price came to this level, right, it gave us a pullback, right? Then it's actually continuing our bearish moves by breaking the support level. So this is still an indication we are bearish. So clearly we are on a bearish move, right? Um, so sorry. So clearly we are on a bearish move, right? Now take a look at it after sorry. So after our price dropped, right, we had a pullback that came to test the support level. So clearly our price is still on a bearish move since price has come to test our support level, right? So once it has tested the support level, it is now giving us another bearish move. So clearly, weekly time frame on our gold, we are on a bearish move. If you have to trade it on the weekly time frame, you have to go bearish. That is it. That will take us to the daily time frame. Take a look at this movement. Let's start movement from here. You can see that this is on a bearish move. This is kind of like a correction on the weekly time frame. We also that price came to test the support level, right? Which it broke out from. Now it is now giving us that bearish move. Take a look at this impulse move downward. A correction was made here. Then we've had this another impulse move downward. Take a look at this impulse move, right? Then we've had this correction. After the correction, what do we expect next? Another bearish move. So today we've actually opened. We have not yet closed, by the way, but the price has gone bearish. So we will continue to go further bearish. Even the next day, we would also continue to go bearish. So it just depends within today and today. We will close bearish today and also the next day, which is on the 20th, we would also close bearish. So we would want to see this price actually drop, by the way. So we've actually gone bearish. So if you've not taken this trade, actually jump and take this trade. So the next level we will be dropping to is this level where I've set my take profit as. Because once price gets to this level, there's a short thing, there's one thing for sure is that price will actually give us a pullback. We all know if you are trading, if you are following this channel, you see it repeatedly. Once price gets to a level it has reacted to before, it will definitely react at that same level. So this price we are dropping This is the next level we want it to drop to. So once it gets to this level, we'll also see it react by giving us a pullback, then a continuous bearish move. So we should be able to take this level. Today is Wednesday, right? We should be able to take it by Friday, which I strongly believe. Within Wednesday today, Thursday tomorrow, and lastly Friday, we should be able to take this level. So on this gold, right, on the daily time frame, we are still on a bearish move. So if you have to take this trade, short it. And let's see what this 4-hour time frame says, by the way. So I mean, take a look at this. So those of you that want to trade it, maybe you can wait for this price to actually break below this candlestick. It depends on when you are watching it. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is red, right? You can wait for this price to drop further down, break this candlestick week here. Once it can break below it, then you can enter to short this trade. Because once I know a pullback will occur, at least to this level here, because price has once reacted here, price has come to this level multiple times, then it broke below it, right? Once price break below it, definitely price should give us a pullback to test the level, which is a level of 1648. We are currently trading at 1641, right? Let us see, maybe if possible a pullback will happen at 1648, then a continuous bearish move would be made on our good for today. Maybe then once the pullback has occurred, we can now enter this trade, or you can wait for this price to break below this candlestick week.